Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Zara Abigail. Today I'm going to be telling you about the 6 successful habits that make a child stronger, amazinger, and happier person. Let's begin. Habit number 1 is to keep your mind strong. Read comic books, storybooks, anything. Please be good. Please make your mind sharper and stronger. This is good for your brain. Next up, habit number 2 is to stay positive. Every day in the morning when you wake up, tell yourself 3 things you're thankful for. Negativity affects your brain, positivity doesn't. And always remember, mistakes are not bad. We all learn from our mistakes. Next up, habit number 3 is to speak and act kindly. Use words like thank you, excuse me, please, or sorry. These words have a big impact on your behavior and you also make more friends. Next up, habit number 4 is to be honest and responsible. Honesty is better than lying. Lying is worst. Honesty is the key to the truth and it's much better. So, try out these small chores like making your bed and packing your school bag. These small chores make you independent and make your parents know that you are independent and you can do things yourself. Next, habit number 5 is to learn new skills and to be creative. Instead of just watching your screen, you can do dancing, singing, coding, music, drawing, and craft from my channel. Instead of just don't spend too much time on your screens. And you can also learn new skills instead of just being on your screen. Last but not least, habit number 6 is to take care of your body. Drink water, sleep early, and wake up early. Dehydration is not good for your body or anything else. Hydration is better than dehydration. And instead of being glued to your screen, you can go outdoors or outside to play. You can go outside and play with your friends in the park, swing in the park, jump, run, and skip around outside instead of just being inside your house watching screens. So, which habit did you like the most? Tell me in the comments. And also, which habit are you going to start today? Tell me in the comments too. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye!